Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add an object behind a person and above the background. Select your image and copy and paste it and go to cutout and select auto cutout. And then you're going to add your image. You can also add in a video for this, like this. And for instance, you want to still be able to see the background. Select the video or photo, go to basic and select any blend mode that shows like the background, like maybe this overlay one or the soft light one. Just like select one that you like, maybe this color burn one. You can also adjust the opacity here, and that is basically it really. Depending on like the opacity you choose, like maybe this will look a little bit more natural than if it's like very like if you set the opacity 200. I mean anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!